All right, welcome back to e-learning. So Tuesday, got my days wrong. We're going to analyze text structure of a text called Movie Making Magic. So authors use the text structure to help convey the meaning and then develop arguments for argumentative text. Structure is just synonymous. It means the same thing as organization. It's how an author chooses to organize their information. Or the way that they present it can greatly impact the meaning. So as you read, you will find that many of the texts you come across are informational, nonfiction texts. So they usually follow one of 5 text structures: cause and effect, compare contrast, descriptive, problem solution, or sequential logical order. And we have talked about these and worked on this before, so again, this should be a review for you guys. Click on the link. You can watch a short video that goes over the compare, contrast, cause and effect, all the different types of text structure. So text structure, the ones that they use for nonfiction, can also be used for fiction texts. Some common structures would be sequential structure, which describes steps in the order in which they occur, order in sequence or chronological. Casual shows how one event causes another, which is cause and effect. And comparative structure shows how details are similar to or different from each other, which would be compare or contrast. So your assignment is to read Movie Making Magic, and then to answer the 7 questions, make sure you are using complete sentences and you're restating the question. I am not getting that, and that is where you are missing points. For number 6, you are just going to check the type of structure that applies.